Maintenance-free monitoring with the Vaisala Optimus OPT100 DGA monitor. Traditional DGA monitors for power transformers have many drawbacks. You may need to replace consumables, send the monitor back to the manufacturer for maintenance, or calibrate the device. All of this adds up to extra hassle and higher lifetime costs. At Vaisala, we wanted to change this, which is why our experts spent years working to develop a better DGA monitor. The end result is the Optimus OPT100 DGA monitor. It eliminates false alarms and offers the best long-term stable measurements on the market without any need for calibration. The Optimus OPT100 DGA monitor is quick and easy to install. Just attach the oil pipes and electric cables. The design is modular, and the monitor uses interchangeable parts. And you'll also never need to send the device back to us for maintenance. Bleeding is a convenient and automated part of the commissioning process. The oil pushes air from the pipes and out through the release valve. When it comes to measuring oil samples, traditional DGA monitors rely on the headspace method, where the amount of dissolved gas that is extracted, and hence the result, varies with oil type, temperature, and pressure. The Optimus OPT100 DGA monitor uses vacuum gas extraction, which guarantees a high extraction proportion for all gases and leads to more accurate and reliable results. The monitor's infrared sensor is based on Vaisala's unique measurement technology and components manufactured in our own clean rooms. Traditional DGA monitors use fixed filters, which are less effective at giving the true state of fault gas concentrations than Vaisala technology with spectral scanning. You get high signal quality and gas selectivity, resulting in dependable, real-time trend data with no need for new calibrations. The monitor is also maintenance-free. There are no consumables such as gas bottles that need to be changed. The optics are hermetically sealed and protected to prevent sensor contamination. Stainless steel pipes, IP66 housing, and a magnetic pump and valves give you unmatched durability. And even if there is a disturbance like a power outage, self-diagnostics enable self-recovery. When compared with traditional DGA monitors, the Optimus OPT100 DGA monitor gives you real-time monitoring with no false alarms, no maintenance, and no extra lifetime costs. Vaisala is a trusted partner for over 10,000 companies in safety and quality critical sectors where failure is not an option.